What challenges or opportunities do you foresee in harmonising standards across regions, both in and outside of the EU?
Yeah, exactly. This is one of the main challenges, and I think it has been already attributed also to Thomas and to Blair. This is about integrity of materials when you talk about sequestration. Very important. So this discussion on the right specifications and the right standards for carbon capture, for example, for sequestration, the whole logistic system will have to be built on that. So you cannot afford that some impurities would come into a logistic system and then in the end harm the integrity of either the valves or the pipelines or the ships that are transporting the sequestration. So they might not have exactly the same specifications as food grade, but it is as critical for sequestration to have the right specifications as it is for the food industry, which food and beverage, we can all, of course, imagine ourselves that whatever we take into our body from CO2, that we want to be assured that it has the right specifications, the right analysis. It's one of the challenges also in the model that I explained on smaller production sites from biogenic CO2, for example, making sure and assure that these meet the specifications in then these smaller logistic systems that might be built from there. So yes, there are challenges when you go from a centralized to a decentralized production, and when you go from well-known sources like ammonia or bioethanol to less known sources like from the cement industry, steel industry, or the waste industry, as Bruce also mentioned before. You never know what's really put in, and you have to make sure you take it all out.